The Philippines is located in the typhoon belt of the Western Pacific, making it prone to tropical cyclones. Locally known as typhoons, on average, the Philippines experiences around 20 tropical cyclones each year, with varying intensities ranging from tropical depressions to super typhoons. The quantity of water that can be caught in newly proposed water impounding facilities, it depends on several factors including the size of the reservoir, the catchment area, rainfall patterns, and the design capacity of the impounding facility. Large-scale impounding facilities such as dams can have significant storage capacity, potentially storing millions or even billions of cubic meters of water. For example, the proposed Kalawa Dam project in the Philippines, which is intended to provide water supply for Metro Manila, is designed to have a storage capacity of around 560 million cubic meters of water. Similarly, the new Centennial Water Source Kalawa Dam project aims to provide additional water supply for the growing population and industries in the National Capital Region. The specific quantity of water that can be caught in newly proposed impounding facilities would need to be assessed on a case-by-case basis, taking into account various technical, environmental, and socioeconomic factors. Engineering studies and hydrological modeling are typically conducted to estimate the potential water storage capacity of such facilities. By changing cropping season. Changing the planting season for rice in the Philippines to avoid typhoons can indeed contribute to achieving rice sufficiency in the coming years by minimizing the risk of crop damage and losses due to extreme weather events. Here's how adjusting the planting season can help. 1. Risk mitigation. Typhoons typically occur during specific times of the year in the Philippines, often coinciding with the traditional planting season. For rice, by shifting the planting season to periods when the likelihood of typhoons is lower, farmers can reduce the risk of their crops being damaged or destroyed by strong winds, heavy rainfall, and flooding associated with typhoons. 2. Optimize growth conditions. Planting rice during periods of more favorable weather conditions can optimize crop growth and development. By avoiding planting during the peak of the typhoon season, farmers can ensure that their rice crops have sufficient time to mature and yield a successful harvest without the threat of typhoon-related disruptions. 3. Improved crop management. Shifting the planting season may also enable farmers to implement more effective crop management practices such as timely application of fertilizers and pesticides, proper water management, and weed control. This can contribute to higher rice yields and better overall crop health, leading to increased productivity and rice sufficiency. 4. Diversification of risk. Changing the planting season can help diversify the risk for farmers by spreading out the planting and harvesting periods throughout the year. This can reduce the vulnerability of rice production to weather-related risks such as typhoons, droughts, and floods, and enhance the resilience of the agricultural sector to climate variability. 5. Adaptation to climate change. As climate change exacerbates extreme weather events, including typhoons, adapting planting schedules to avoid the peak typhoon season becomes increasingly important. By proactively adjusting planting calendars in response to changing climatic conditions, farmers can adapt to the impacts of climate change and maintain stable rice production levels in the long term. 6. Government support and extension services. The government can play a crucial role in supporting farmers in adjusting their planting schedules by providing timely information, technical assistance, and extension services. Agricultural agencies can disseminate weather forecasts, climate information, and agronomic recommendations to help farmers make informed decisions about when to plant their rice crops for optimal results. 1. Enhanced irrigation, water impounding facilities, can provide a reliable and consistent water supply for irrigation, especially during the dry season when natural water sources may be scarce, by ensuring that rice fields have sufficient water for optimal growth and development throughout the year. Impounding facilities can help farmers maximize their rice yields and production by strategically changing the planting season for rice to avoid typhoons and other extreme weather events. Filipino farmers can reduce the vulnerability of their crops to weather-related risks, improve overall crop yields, and contribute to achieving rice sufficiency in the country. Water impounding facilities can play a crucial role in helping Filipino farmers achieve rice sufficiency in the coming years through several key mechanisms. 2. Increased cropping intensity. With reliable irrigation water available, farmers can cultivate rice crops more intensively, potentially increasing the number of rice crops they can grow per year. This can lead to higher overall rice production and contribute to achieving rice sufficiency in the country. 3. Expansion of cultivable area. Water impounding facilities can facilitate the expansion of cultivable areas for rice farming by making previously non-arable land suitable for agriculture. By reclaiming and irrigating marginal lands, farmers can increase the total rice growing area, thereby boosting rice production and contributing to sufficiency. 4. Climate resilience. In the face of climate change and increasingly erratic weather patterns, water impounding facilities can provide a buffer against droughts and water shortages by storing water during periods of ample rainfall and releasing it during dry spells. Impounding facilities can help mitigate the adverse effects of climate variability on rice production, ensuring greater resilience and stability in the agricultural sector. 5. Improved water management. The construction of water impounding facilities often involves the development of water management infrastructure such as canals, dikes, and reservoirs. These structures not only store water but also enable more efficient distribution and utilization of water resources, allowing farmers to better manage their irrigation needs and optimize rice production. 6. Community development. Water impounding facilities can catalyze broader community development by providing access to water for domestic use, livestock watering, and other livelihood activities. Beyond rice farming, improved water availability can enhance overall rural livelihoods, stimulate economic growth, and contribute to poverty reduction in rural areas. 7. Sustainable agriculture. By promoting sustainable water use practices and integrated water resource management, water impounding facilities can support environmentally friendly rice farming practices. This includes optimizing water use efficiency, reducing water wastage, and minimizing environmental degradation associated with excessive water extraction and irrigation. Overall, the development and utilization of water impounding facilities can significantly contribute to enhancing rice production, improving food security, and ultimately achieving rice sufficiency in the Philippines by providing farmers with the water resources they need to sustainably increase their rice yields and productivity. Predicting the exact increase in rice production resulting from the implementation of water impounding areas and changing cropping seasons in the Philippines is challenging due to various factors that can influence rice yields and overall production. However, these measures can certainly contribute to increasing rice production and moving towards rice sufficiency. Let's consider the potential impact of each measure. Government-led contract farming. How the concept of government-led contract farming can help the rice sufficiency in the Philippines. The Philippines government's implementation of contract farming can help improve rice sufficiency in the country by providing support, resources, and market access to farmers. However, these measures can certainly contribute to increasing rice production and moving towards rice sufficiency. Let's consider the potential impact of each measure. Some advantages of government-led contract farming. Compared to traditional farming methods in the Philippines include 1. Support and resources. The government can provide farmers with access to modern technology, high-quality seeds, fertilizers, and other resources to improve productivity and yield. 2. Market access. Through contract farming agreements, the government can help farmers secure stable markets for their produce, ensuring a steady income and reducing the risk of price fluctuations. 3. Capacity building. The government can offer training programs and technical assistance to farmers participating in contract farming, helping them improve their skills and knowledge in agricultural practices. Overall, government-led contract farming initiatives can play a crucial role in enhancing rice sufficiency in the Philippines by providing farmers with the necessary support, resources, and market opportunities to increase productivity and income. These three concepts, water impounding area, changing cropping season, and government-led contract farming. By implementing the concepts of water impounding area, changing cropping season, and government-led contract farming in the Philippines, there is a strong potential for enhancing rice sufficiency in the country in the future. Water impounding areas can help address water scarcity issues and ensure consistent water supply for rice cultivation. Changing cropping seasons can optimize agricultural practices and maximize yield by aligning planting schedules with optimal weather conditions. Government-led contract farming can provide farmers with necessary support, resources, and market access to improve productivity and income. When these three concepts are integrated effectively, they can collectively contribute to increasing rice production, improving food security, and ultimately leading to greater rice sufficiency in the Philippines. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more content like this.